This is Village Auto's 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive. Absolutely gorgeous, fully loaded SUV. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear backup camera, rear park assist, tow package, rear wiper, rear defrost, 20-inch alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, privacy glass, running boards, bug shield. Very sharp, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $12,989. This one does have a full leather interior, quad seating in the rear here. Third row seat, bringing this to a 7-passenger SUV. You have the rear heat and AC controls, factory Panasonic DVD player, exceptionally clean. We do, of course, have full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, heated front leather seats, power passenger seat, power moonroof, OnStar, Home Link. You do have the factory DVD player, along with the factory navigation, automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise, tow haul mode, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature. It's altogether very clean, very well maintained SUV that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive home with you.